Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk X4S Mesh Extender Setup Guide 2026. Improve home Wi-Fi signal easily. Step 1. Unbox the extender. Take out the Netgear Nighthawk X4S Mesh Extender and plug it into a power outlet near your Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Wait for the power light. Wait until the power LED becomes solid green or white. This means the extender is ready for setup. Step 3. Connect your phone or PC. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer and connect to the extender network name shown on the label. Step 4. Open the setup page, launch a web browser and type mywifixt.net in the address bar to open the setup page. Step 5. Create login details. Set up a new admin username and password for your extender to keep it secure. Step 6. Select your home Wi-Fi. Choose your main home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the Wi-Fi password carefully. Step 7. Complete the connection. Wait a few minutes while the extender connects to your router and copies the Wi-Fi settings. Step 8. Move the extender. Place the extender halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area for better signal coverage. Step 9. Check the signal light. Make sure the signal indicator shows a good connection. Move the extender closer if the signal is weak. Step 10. Test your internet speed. Connect your devices to the extended Wi-Fi network and test browsing, streaming, or gaming speed around your home. Thanks for watching.